Okay, with the PJR, when you get your barrels in place, make sure that the A barrel is on the A side, the B barrel is on the B side. No matter the manufacturer, no matter what color the materials are, the A barrel is always on the A side and the B barrel is always on the B side. B can stand for blue if that makes it help you to remember a little bit easier. Your connections are made with these. There's male and female cam locks, and then these are your vents, which go into the 2-inch bung. These will go into the 3/4 inch bung, the smaller one. We always send an extra set so that you can have your next set of barrels set up and ready to roll into place. The B side has a male fitting on the hose, cam lock male fitting, so the female goes into the barrel, and they fit like this. You pull the ears down. That'll be your connection. This is your vent fitting to allow air in as you're drawing out material. When you tighten it up down to the O-ring, helps to make a seal so there's nothing dripping out of the drum. We also supply caps and plugs. If you want to disconnect for any reason, you can make it moisture tight, airtight. The A side gets the male end of the cam lock, which is that, which will mount up to the female, which is on the hose. Your drum plugs and caps should be put aside and not lost. In case you have residual materials left in the drums, you can put your caps back on when you do your next set, put them aside, and you can save what materials left in these drums and mix all the A's together and all the B's together and make another setup so that you don't have any waste. You'll notice that the vents are facing at a horizontal position away from the cart so that when you're laying down it will be facing up. The cart can then stand up. You can roll these into place. Tie down straps to help keep them in place. And then to make the connection, the ears come up out of the way, push the male down into it, and clamp it. That's the B side. The A side is the same way. Pull the A down, the A side hose into place, pull your ears back, and they're set in place. Once the barrels are in place, then grab a helping hand, tilt it down, your wheelbarrow, and you're ready to go.